What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's a bit of a different video. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I bought a truck. No, it's not a brand new truck. I'm also selling my car, so stay tuned for that. I'll give you some information on that, but I bought a truck. It's a really old truck. It's a work truck that I'm going to be using for fishing, working, stuff like that. So I wanted to reveal it to y'all. This is a new whip. I don't have to use my parents' truck anymore to haul my kayak. I was gonna go out on my kayak today, but I don't know if y'all can kind of hear it. It's pretty windy. Yeah, it would have been terrible out there, so I did not go out on the lake. I haven't gone out in my yak in quite some time. Haven't really been filming this summer. I'm gonna be super busy, but hopefully later on I can catch some time to do stuff. I've just been super busy and blah blah blah, you know, the excuses. But nevertheless, I got a truck, so I'm about to reveal it to y'all. I'm gonna go around the truck. I'm sure the lighting is great, but I'm gonna go around the truck and show you the front of the truck. Drop a comment down below right now guessing what kind of truck it is. So here she is. She needs a little bit of work, but it's a 1994 Ford F-150. Yeah, like I said, needs a bit of work. Has new tires, new brakes, stuff like that, the whole shabam. Here's the interior, nice and crusty. It's actually not that bad, just the seat's kind of whack, and I need to kind of mess with the dash, but it's all right. The gauges don't work, you know, normal stuff on an old truck. Door didn't close right, stuff like that, but it gets me to where I need to go. It actually drove pretty good on the way back. I drove about 2 hours from where I bought it, and it drove really good, like 65, 70. So it's a pretty reliable truck. I had no problems with it. I do have to change stuff on it, like the regular stuff, because I'm getting terrible gas mileage, but I do need to change out the fluids, spark plugs, and stuff like that. But yeah, I just wanted to reveal it, show all of y'all what's been going on. I got a truck finally. Shout out to my brother. He helped me out with this truck. He helped me buy it. He helped me find it. So shout out to him. I do have to do a lot of things to it. I got to do tie rods, just stuff that an old truck needs done. So if y'all want to stay updated with how the truck is going, drop a comment down below. But this is going to be my new truck, the new rig. I'm probably gonna take it to like the Devil's River and stuff, which is probably not a good idea. I have people telling me, no, don't take it out of town and stuff like that, but you know what, screw it. I want to make videos for y'all. I want to travel. I want to do stuff with this truck. I've heard it's a pretty reliable truck from other people. I've heard that it's been a pretty good truck, so I'm not too sure, but yeah, there she is, the new whip. But yeah, for those of y'all wondering, I am going to be selling my car. If you're interested, DM me on Instagram. I'll give you all the details there, show y'all pictures, stuff like that, for those of you who are interested. But yeah, I got a truck nevertheless. Like I said, I'm really excited to do things to this truck. I'm excited to finally have a vehicle where I can take my kayak. I put my kayak on my Mustang. Not the greatest idea. Drop a comment down below also if you have any ideas for this truck. You want me to do anything to it? If I have the money for it, don't go too crazy and say like put a supercharger on it or something like that. But yeah, I kind of want to take you along the journey owning this truck, what it's like, the problems I'm gonna have. I'm sure I'm gonna have future problems with it. Hopefully not, but we'll see. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update video of what's been going on, what has been happening, my latest big purchase, which is being a truck. I kind of wanted to show y'all because it's going to be part of the channel. I want to be using it on my fishing trips and stuff like that. So like I said, if you have any ideas whatsoever of what you want to see about this truck, you want to keep seeing the truck or stuff like that, drop a comment down below because I honestly have no idea. I just post fishing content, but if you want to see truck content too, feel free to drop any ideas. But yeah, like I said, this is just an update video kind of showing y'all what's been going on. I do want to go out either this week or this weekend, go out and fish, but for now I'm uploading this video, trying to get it up. So here in the next day or so I'll upload this video. But yeah, I do want to go out fishing. It's just been really windy lately. I've been super busy. I'm making excuses. Nevertheless, we got a new whip. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video somewhat of me showing the truck. If y'all want a more in-depth video of the truck, let me know. I mean, it's a pretty old truck, it's pretty basic, not really much to know about it. Yeah, just an old truck, old reliable truck, at least in my opinion. But yeah, like I said, hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already, drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. But with that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.